If you want to remove an Eero Wi-Fi router from your Wi-Fi system, whether it's your main gateway Eero or secondary Eero, then here's how you delete an Eero device from the Eero app or without the app. First of all, we will open the Eero app, and on the top you'll see all your Eero devices that's connected to your Eero system. Right now we only have the gateway Eero connected, but if you have multiple Eeros, then just tap on them from the list. Then from here you'll need to tap on Advanced, then Remove from the bottom of the list, and finally tap Remove from Network. Then your Eero device will be removed from your network. And after that, if you want to remove your gateway Eero as well, or if you want to remove any Eero device without the app, then the only way to do that is by resetting your Eero to factory default or hard resetting it. So to reset your Eero, just flip it on its back, and here you'll see a button with a circle. This is the reset button. Now, while your Eero is on, just firmly press and hold the reset button, and you'll need to keep holding it for about 15 seconds, so don't let go. And while you're holding, you'll see the LED will flash orange a few times, then it will turn red. This means your Eero is now reset, so you can let go, and within a few seconds it will start showing the blue setup LED, which means your Eero is now disconnected from your network. So that's how you can remove an Eero from your Eero Wi-Fi system. If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more guides.